What's up guys? Today is July 9, Thursday, year 2026. Yan. So ngayong araw, Nutrition Month nila Matthew and Marco sa YSA, Young Scholar Academy. Dito sa may Northview, Batasan. So kasama ko silang dalawa. Yan, say hi muna.
Hi!
And today, si Marco lang ang sasala ngayon sa kanilang stage sa grade 1. Yan. Meron silang tawa kayo. Meron silang program ngayon. Then bukas si Kuya Matthew naman. So sumama lang ngayon si Kuya Matthew para syempre panoorin yung kapatid niya. And after kasi namin sa school yung program ay magano na rin kami. Kakain kami sa
Jollibee!
Jollibee. So yun guys, panoorin nyo itong buong araw na to. Makikita natin si Marco na mag-perform. First time niya, grade 1 yan. Sa
Marco?
Young Scholar Academy.
Sabi mo nga speech mo sa kanila.
O, paano yung speech mo?
Hello everyone, my name is Sean Marco Cugarinya. I'm watermelon. Watermelon is healthy and yummy. Thank you.
Yes, very good, very good. So, mamaya uli anak ha. Ayusin ha. Okay. So, let's go guys. Pupunta muna tayo sa school.
Kuya, yung favorite ko talaga. Tutong, gulod. Ay, yung favorite ko. Ugot.
Bakit ganun? Dapat may...
Sama na rin kayo, Daddy. Para picture kayo.
Natara.
Dami kayo, samahan.
Begin this meaningful gathering by showing our love for our country. May I request everyone to stand as we sing our national anthem to be led by Tobias Carolan and Elijah Mateo. Tobias Carolan and Elijah Sage Mateo to lead us in our...
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
All of us to love, have happiness, and work together.
Thank you, Toby. Next, we have Sean Marco Giovanina.
Go anak.
Hello everyone. I'm Sean Marco Cugarinya. I'm watermelon. Watermelon is healthy and yummy. Thank you.
Thank you, Marco. Next, we have Elijah Sage Mateo.
Sabi ng classmate niya, go Marco.
Everybody move. Healthy body, healthy groove. Jump and dance, feel the beat. Healthy food is what we eat. Bananas, berries, so sweet. Fresh for power, gives energy to your feet. Carrots and broccoli, crunchy and green. Healthy food makes you strong and keen. Shake, shake, feel the beat. Healthy food is fun to eat. Move your body, groove, groove, groove. Healthy body, so groove. Jump and dance, feel the beat. Healthy food is what we eat. keeps us alive. Groove, groove, groove. Healthy body, Zumba groove.
Next on our program is a lively presentation nutrition community dance entitled Makulay ang Buhay sa Sinabawang Gulay. Wow, what an energetic and wonderful performance. Let us give them a huge round of applause.
Here. Pick yun. Pick lang gusto mo. Kung may gusto ka, pick one. Marco, get one. Marco, ano gusto mo na? Sa labas. Yung ba? Ano? Grapes. Sa baso. Ito na sa baso. Yan. Get one. Get one. Get one. Bigyan mo kay mami. Luluto si mami ng gulay. Para ulam mamaya. One lang.
Ulam later.
Anong chop suey po? Oh, get one. Potato. Ah, nahalo yan.
You get onions, garlic, and
One potato.
you get one.
Get na, Marco.
Oh, you get
Carrots.
Get one.
Get one mango. Give to your mommy. Mommy. Give mo si mommy na mango. Paborito ni mommy. This one. Dragon fruit. One orange. One orange. And one apple. Okay. Banana? You want banana? Okay. Let's go now. Let's go now. Bye. Let's go now. Teacher.
You want banana?
Okay na po. Okay na po. Thank you po, sir. Thank you po. Thank you po, teacher. Oh, wait mo si Dad. So yun na nga guys, tapos na yung program nila Marco sa YSA. And yun, nakita nyo naman, nag-dance si Marco and nag-speech siya nung kanyang speech, yung kanyang fruits. Yan. Kasama ko ngayon pa rin silang dalawa. Good job Marco good job.
Yes. Sabi nung mga friend ko.
Classmate.
Go, Marco!
Go Marco, sabi din ng mga classmate
Nag-ano
niya.
na yung crowd?
Nagsalita, nagsigaw daw yung crowd. So gaya ng pangako natin kay Marco, kailangan natin siyang i-treat sa Jollibee ngayon. So, samahan nyo kami guys, Jollibee naman tayo. Let's go to Jollibee!
Let's go!
Let's go!
Yung mga maliliit na. Ay, yung mga dumi.
Ano sa'yo Marco, Matthew? Ayan guys, waiting na lang kami sa aming order.
20,000 hours.
No, saglit lang yun. 5 minutes lang, 5 minutes.
20,000 hours.
Hindi.
Spider-Man ako guys.
Oh!
Yes, nga. Galing.
Prakash. Balikan ko na lang. Hey, sit down na. Sit down na. Nandito na yung order nyo. Classmate mo?
Yeah.
Sige na, kain na, kain na. Kain na kuya, 6 pieces nuggets with fries and drinks, spaghetti, burger with drinks.
Grabe!
Sold ba? Okay ba? Okay? Okay ba? Okay. Ayan, so guys, ayan. Ano sa'yo mo?
Thank you, God.
Welcome.
Thank you, Dad.
Welcome. So yun guys, yan nagtatapos ang ating video vlog today. And samahan nyo ulit ako bukas kung kay Kuya Matthew ay si Dad ang manunood. Bye na kayo, bye na, bye.
Hi!
Like and sub. Ano yun sasabi niya?
Like and sub. Like and sub.
Ano yung sabihin nun?
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Huh?
Like and subscribe. Like
Okay.
and subscribe.
Unas ka nga, dungis mo.